In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress admin email. Managing your WordPress site effectively often means keeping your administrative details up to date, including your admin email address. Whether you're improving security, transferring ownership, or simply updating your contact information, knowing how to change this key detail is essential. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can make the change quickly and confidently. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the authentication page where you can choose your preferred method to log in. Here, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is not only secure but also offers a streamlined login experience, saving you time and effort. Once you've chosen Continue with Google, you'll see a list of available Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the one you want to use with your WordPress site and proceed to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress administrative dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the section labeled Users. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to open the list of registered users for your WordPress site. This is where you can manage all user accounts, including the admin account. Next, locate the current admin account from the list of users. Once you find it, click on it to reveal more options. From here, you'll see an option to revoke the admin credentials. Click Revoke to remove the current admin credentials. This step is important because it ensures that any previous credentials tied to the current admin email are removed, enhancing the security of your site. After revoking the admin credentials, let's move on to updating the email address. Navigate back to the Team page within your dashboard. On this page, you'll find an Add a User button or link. Click on it to begin adding the new admin details. Now, you'll need to fill out the form with the updated email address and any other necessary details, such as the display name or role assignment. It's crucial to ensure that all the information is accurate, especially the email address, as this will be used for future login and notifications. Double-check the spelling of the email address and any accompanying details before proceeding to avoid potential issues later. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on Send Invitation. This will send an invitation to the provided email address, inviting the new admin to join. At this point, the admin email update process is almost complete. Finally, make sure the person associated with the updated admin email accepts the invitation and configures their account as needed. This step is key to fully activating the new admin account and ensuring everything is set up properly. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the admin email for your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've improved the security and functionality of your site, ensuring that the right person has access to critical administrative features. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help out if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.